We will route this tubing up and around our warp core like so, and we will hot glue this into place where it'll be down like that. My ideal is that we'll take a drill and drill small holes so that we can vent the fog out. That's the plan anyway. So we're going to see how that works. And we will start attaching that. It's just time consuming, like everything else that we do. So these projects you do for fun, you do for wanting to see how other people react. You want that, how did you do that effect? So we're explaining it. It takes a little time and some patience.